Oh yes! I know you've been waiting for it and it's finally here. If you haven't watched the first video about the Oraimo Smart Steamer where I unboxed and demonstrated the unique features of the product, then you have to go and do that. In that video, I also demonstrated how you can use the steamer to remove wrinkles from your clothes, and I promise to show you the results in this video. Now, before I go on to show you the results, we want to do something even bigger. Some of you requested I try the Oraimo Smart Steamer on different fabrics. And so, we are putting the Oraimo Smart Steamer to the ultimate test on different fabrics. Lining, cotton, silk, but remember, there's an upcoming giveaway on this channel. So stay till the end of this video for the details. But do you think the Oraimo Smart Steamer will pass or fail this test? Well, we are here to see. Let's start with the lining. Lining is beautiful, but a nightmare to keep smooth. Let's see if the Oraimo Smart Steamer can handle this. Whilst that is being worked on, let's try the cotton fabric as well. Most of us wear cotton daily, so this one really matters. Let's start steaming this. With that going on, we want to also start working on the silk. You all know silk is very tricky. It burns easily with an iron. But what about the steamer? Can the steamer handle it safely? We'll get to see.
Impossible to break apart. It was never a challenge for us to keep the spark. While I was after prey like a tiger shark, you watch up in my life, brace my heart, yeah, and place the mark. So in a woven with your toxins, addicted to your life, you need a label caution. There ain't an option like oxygen for life. Use a breath of fresh air and I ain't gotta say it twice. Nah, but now the road always splits. You can take your own path, you know we're always on a...
The results are ready. Let's see how the steamer works. So there you have it, lining, cotton, silk, all tested. The Oraimo Smart Steamer passed every challenge. Now, I promise to show you the full result on the fabric we worked on in the previous video. This is the result. If you hate ironing, this is definitely worth it. Grab yours by visiting ga.oraimo.com. If you stayed to this point of the video, then you really deserve a reward. Comment down in the comment section below and I'll add you to a pool of potential winners for my upcoming giveaway. If you really want to be a winner for this upcoming giveaway, don't forget to comment down. Now, like the video, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.